EIJY Ransomware is another addition to the prolific StopDJVu ransomware family. Like other associated variants, it mostly spreads via unreliable downloads, phishing emails, social engineering scams, and questionable advertising content. EIJY ransomware operators are looking to extort victims for a quick payoff by locking their files and then demanding a ransom payment for file decryption. Most file types can be affected by this ransomware encryption, including photos, music, documents, and videos. Unfortunately, a decryption tool that would unlock files encrypted by EIJY ransomware is not available at the moment, and the only reliable way to recover affected files is to restore them from a backup. It is also possible to use alternative data recovery options, but there's no guarantee that alternative data recovery tools will unlock all the encrypted files. After completing the file encryption on a victim's computer, EIJY ransomware appends the affected files with the .eijy suffix and drops a ransom note on the user's desktop in the form of the _readme.txt document. The ransom note, which asks the victim to pay $980 for file decryption, also provides the contact information to communicate and ask hackers any questions. The victims are asked to establish communication via support@bestyourmail.ch and support@sys@airmail.cc. Victims who respond within 72 hours are offered a 50% discount on the ransom. Additionally, should victims contact the criminals through the emails, they will be told to send one file to the attackers to have it decrypted for free. The hackers actually do this to prove that they can unlock the victim's files upon paying the ransom. Although cooperating with the cybercriminals behind EIJY ransomware may feel like the easiest way to solve your problem, you should keep in mind that they will not help you for free, and paying does not guarantee that you will get your files back or even receive any decryption tools. Dealing with the EIJY ransomware infection. If you get infected with EIJY ransomware, you should scan for the related files using a reputable anti-malware tool. Additionally, to mitigate possible damages in a future ransomware attack, you should keep backup copies of your valuable data on an external disk or cloud drive. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.